this side. I'm from Factor College and we are here watching match of India and Pakistan. I'm really super excited and I really hope that Pakistan win.
And I'm a very brilliant student of Factor College. As you can see that we are having match of India-Pakistan and this is T20 happening. So मेरी prayers हैं कि पाकिस्तान wins because billions, trillions और बहुत सारे करोड़ों जो हैं पाकिस्तान की जो patriotic lovers हैं and true lovers हैं, जो हमारे elders हैं, जो हमारे young teams हैं, सब लोग पाकिस्तान को support कर रहे हैं, सबकी दुआएं हैं.
Hello everyone, this is Samreen. I'm from Scepter College. We are seeing right now the live screening of the match of the Pakistan and India, and we are so excited. And I wish that the Pakistan wins. And this is a lot of time we haven't seen a match like that. I wish the best luck for Pakistani team.
College and we all are so happy today because of the Pakistan-India match. इतने टाइम बाद कोई मैच हो रहा है during the COVID time. So it's so exciting and inshallah Pakistan will win.
Imtiaz, and I'm really very excited for this match. Like it's happening after around almost 5 years and I'm literally excited. I hope that Pakistan will win.